So this is the USGS parser app that I've been working on. And what it does is it uses the Google Maps API where a user can zoom into a certain area. And once they're zoomed into a certain level, it will prompt the app to issue a query to the USGS REST service. And if there are stations within that area, it will extract those from the XML file and load them onto this app. What I need to add is some kind of spinner or something to notify the user that the stations are loading, and they are, or it is. So it should load any second now. And there it is. So I think there is a quicker way to pull that from the XML file. And so I'm going to look into that. But right now, if you click that station for Wolf Branch, it changes the card title at the bottom of the screen. And then the user can pull that up. And so you see the Wolf Branch station. And then the user clicks Get Flow Data. And it takes about 30 seconds for the query to be issued for flow data for a period of 90 days before the current date, and then plot those to the graph. Some things I want to change about these graphs is I want the labels on each axis to change dynamically. I guess the 90-day period doesn't have to change, but the range and values will have to change depending on the actual measurements. But there's the graph. It's repeated twice because I have to configure the gauge data widget to use a different parameter code for the REST service query. But otherwise, this is it. And so I'm still working on fine-tuning all of this. Getting it to work at all is the first step, and then maybe improving the speed, and then also adding widgets that communicate to the user what's happening.